Deputy Leader of Opposition. Opening. Summary the previous speaker. Argument and short review your upcoming speech. The determination on whether or not a value should be considered as a form of human rights valuation should be constructed by the person or community whose definition of welfare are heavily depend on the ability of this society over the mechanism to reach their own version on the standard of happiness. Team split. As the deputy leader of opposition side of the House, I have 2 points of contention that I'm going to analyze. First point, there is no such thing of logical fallacy of popularity or a wrong decision that is made based on blind, irrational capacity under our model of proposal. Because allowing the value of personal choice to be performed by the believers is actually the best indicator to see on which value that is mostly needed by this individual or community at the moment. Second point, the motivation of advancing society change should be coming from the inner willingness of the individual or the society. Imposing alien value to them will only create an unsustainability development of situation in the future that would even harm all of the stakeholder being involved in this issue. Rebuttal. But before I move on to my first point contention, let's see first the argument that has been delivered by the deputy leader of the affirmative side of the House. I have 2 major points of rebuttal. First, the deputy leader of affirmative team believed that the objective of their model of proposal is actually in line with the principle of democracy, which is to provide an equal definition of welfare to all level of society. Second, the deputy leader of affirmative team believed that since the mechanism of model of proposal requires the process of sacrificing and harming the basic human right of the practitioners, then the affirmative team believe if the process of talk of the practice of this personal choice is solely made based on blind, irrational process, and thus should be strongly forbidden by the government as a rational authority. Argument. Now let's move on to my first contention. First point, there is no such thing of logical fallacy of popularity or a wrong decision that is made based on blind, irrational capacity under our model of proposal. Because allowing the value of personal choice to be performed by the believers is actually the best indicator to see on which value that is mostly needed by this individual or community at the moment. First layer, whether this should be considered as a form of logical fallacy of popularity. Second layer, why the construction or the new modification of value the scarce exclusive right of the society. First layer, We believe that the term of logical fallacy of popularity can only be valid when the activity that is decided to be practiced by the society is chosen under the reason that its activity is a popular activity. This has been being done by the majority of people out there. So it is merely chosen by to the done just because it is a popularity activity and not because of under the reason of value consideration. Second layer, value is the primary foundation of a society to create their culture, which they believe will make them able to attain their version of welfare. It will determine the way how they spend their life in a fashion that will be suitable with their belief. And since every society and even individual has their own different perspective on the standard of value that they believe in. Thus, every different society and individual has their own different way to attain their welfare. Second point of contention. The motivation of advancing society change should be coming from the inner willingness of the individual or society. Imposing alien value to them will only create an unsustainability development of situation in future that would even harm all of the stakeholder being involved in this issue. Let's take the example. However, the development on the situation could be if a certain alien value is being imposed to be performed by the society or the individual. Iraq and Afghanistan, when NATO had toppled down Saddam Hussein from Iraq and Taliban from Afghanistan, NATO countries lead the system of the new elect government in those countries to be the system of democracy, in which we all know that Iraq and Afghanistan had been becoming a not democratic countries for all this time, and that no democratic governmental system is the system that the society of Iraq and Afghanistan want to be implemented in their own country. But everything is changed when NATO country attack these two countries. These two countries are being imposed by military intervention to change their non-democracy value into democracy value that they never believed in, that they never needed in this first place. Conclusion. If the society version of mechanism to reach this welfare were to be forbidden by the government and should be replaced by other mechanism that is not coming from the belief and the value of this person or community believe in, then instead of getting the maximum fulfillment of their right, the only thing that they will get are just grief and sorrow because the government did not respect their personal or communal belief and value.